get the best symmetry for your object, you'll want to use the Mirror modifier. Click on the Modifier tab in the Properties window, and click Add Modifier. Go to Generate, then select Mirror. The object is going to mirror around the origin point of the object. If your origin is not at the center, you need to move it there. To move the origin to a selected vertex, go into Edit mode, select the vertex, press Shift-S, and select Cursor to Selected. Go into Object mode now, right-click, go to Set Origin, then Origin to 3D Cursor. This will move the origin point to the vertex we just selected. To make sure that you can't move the object across the mirrored center, turn on the Clipping checkbox. Now the object will merge vertices that meet in the center. If you have an object like this engine that you want to mirror to the other side, add the Mirror modifier, then click the eyedropper in the Mirror Object section and select the object that you want to mirror around. To copy the Mirror modifier to other objects, select the objects that you want to copy the modifier to. Then Shift-select the object that has the modifier, go to the Mirror modifier, and click this drop-down. Select Copy to Selected. If you're using other modifiers, you will want to move the Mirror modifier to the top of the modifier stack by dragging it from the top right and moving it up. Now I don't have that hard line in the middle of this object. The Mirror modifier is a great tool for cutting your work in half. Try it out.